Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today you are seeing in front of me HP OfficeJet 250 mobile all-in-one device, and now I'm gonna show you how to remove the battery from this HP device. To do it, firstly you need to power off your printer. So if one of these lamps are lighting, it means that your printer is enabled or in the sleep mode, so you need to disable it. To power it off, just open it and click on the power button to shut down your device. Okay, that's it. Then close the cover of your printer and reverse your printer right now. And here on the back part of your printer you will have this gray button. You just need to press on it, so maybe not press but push it, and then just remove the battery. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.